Just really quickly want to run through some of the results from these project galleries. So these were completed last week on a removalist client of ours in Sydney here, and these two were done the month previous, and they're now ranking actually number one organically for Sydney to Gold Coast removals and Sydney to Coffs Harbour removals. These two were done last week, and again they're ranking number one for Warunga to Waverton removals and Manly to Mossman removals. So just to give you an idea of the power of these project galleries, if you see here I've opened an incognito window, and this is Manly to Mossman removals. So it's incognito, so it hides your search memory location, and you can see number one there in SEO is that Manly to Mossman project gallery. Likewise over here, the number one for SEO again, Warunga to Waverton removals. So it's super effective. This strategy is really designed to help you guys develop with your project galleries presence across the board with these smaller projects to help you dominate the smaller areas, and it's really effective. I can show you quickly what they look like. You'll see everything on this page here is relevant to this project, and it's always been built with complete SEO strategy there. So it's all been very well optimized for the right key term, which is a bit of an art, but it's you can see there it's all been done very well. So there, that gives you an idea of the project gallery, how effective that is, and it's something that I think you guys should definitely be considering.